Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Usually when I start my intros, I usually do it like, you know, in the studio, but I had to do this out because there's literally a huge snowstorm happening right now in New York City. They're projecting at least about 3 to 5 inches here in the city, which is pretty cool, and it's supposed to last like that until like late tonight. So we're gonna do a video today. By the way, I'm still editing the video for San Francisco. That's almost done, but by the time this video comes out, that video should already be live and up and ready to go. And then literally, so right now it's January 19th. Literally in 6 days, I'll be in Chicago filming another street POV. So I got my work cut out for me right now. So if you guys are excited for this, man, for the concert for this year, guys, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down below. We are literally almost at 5K subscribers. It's crazy to say. Yeah, God, it's coming down right now. It's coming quick. So yeah, guys, do me a favor. If you're enjoying the content, you love it, you want to see more of it, the best way to support this channel is by hitting that subscribe button. And what it does really is it helps me a whole lot, and it allows me to create better content like this for you guys. So yeah, let's get into it. All right. No bikes. I got traffic going on. Hold on, let me see something real quick. About F9. Do continuous high. I gotta hold still. If I can. No, I gotta hold super still. Oh, sorry. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, it's slippery on here. Oh, picture this pig.
Get it!
Oh man, it's actually pretty slippery on this bridge. Oh wait, that's actually pretty cool. The bridge is it's out of focus though. It looked good, but it was out of focus. Oh man, that would have been so, wait a minute, hold on. This one? No, it's out of focus. Let's see. Try it again.
on.
shit. Yo, it feels like needles in my face. Woo. Also, I have to walk really slow because the bridge is very slippery, so I can't walk too very fast. Oh, look at that couple up here. I'm gonna walk faster, trying to slip and fall. Heel toe, heel toe. See them right? Them. He's like standing completely in the center. Oh, dude, you're a legend, bro. You are a legend. He's sitting right in the center. Move, bro. Oh, that's cool. That's actually pretty cool. I got to see little the light backdrop. Well, the light in the foreground, and you get the shadows. That's pretty sick. I'll keep that one. Alright, now to wait for some people. Oh my gosh. Almost break my camera here. I'm still getting warmed up a little bit. Yeah, I got it. Oh, umbrella. You're walking so fast. Slow down. Alright. Honestly, I don't have any competitions in mind. I'm just honestly just winging it. You know, because there's just so much going on, and whatever my eye catches, I'm just gonna capture it. I'm not gonna think about it. Just because it's like heavy snow right now, you know, people are reacting to it, so it's just like there's just so much going on. So my job today is to don't think, just shoot more. That is it. If I see a scene I like, I'm gonna capture it. Oh, are you gonna come this way, bro? No. Let's see, one bike. Can I get one bike shot? There you go. Let's see. That one's not bad, but that wasn't bad, but if I had aimed a little higher, it would have been better. Straight, that's a good shot. Oh my gosh, man, that sucks. pretty good. Let's do it again. Did I get an umbrella? Oh, that umbrella coming right up. I want a nice umbrella shot. I'm gonna get a little closer. A 35 is like, and I only brought two lenses with me today. I only brought the 35 and the 17-28. Oh man. Yeah, I need like one person to go through this light here. Like a really good one. That might be the one. I need one person. Jesus Christ. I have to shoot on low. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. God, there's just so many people walking over here. It's crazy. This alleyway was quiet. Now it's busy. I think the last one was better. That umbrella coming at us. Oh no. I don't know who's gonna make it. I don't like that. Oh man, I gotta look at it in post. I gotta see how it looks. I'm gonna be here for a while, man. Hold on. Let me see. Would this go like low, maybe? Actually, it will look good low. It would go look. It will look good, but. What I'm looking for is one subject only. And the problem is that I'm getting too many people walking the frame. Alright, I think I see one person with a dog. I think that's a good subject. Oh, thanks, car. Appreciate it, man. I think I got it. I think I got it. Let me see. Actually. Oh, that's a good one. I did it. I got it. I'm happy. Bro, I like when people just park at the wrong time. Alright. Let me see. Oh, dude, that's actually a really good shot. God, that, you know what? I think this actually makes up for all the best photos I took in today so far. This is actually really good. I like this a lot.
Kannst du gleich noch fragen, ob das normal ist, dass die ganze Zeit diese Mikrofon geht?
Oh, if I can get someone walking down these stairs here. Nope, it's on the escalator. Y'all can't see what I'm doing. No problem. I'm not gonna lie. This is pretty intense. Like, it's not snowing that much, but the wind is just, the wind is killer, man.